children, welcome back to session number 1 of chapter number 4. Our chapter name is Features in Microsoft Word 2013. Word provides various features and options that make creating, editing and formatting the documents very easier. In this session, we will discuss about paragraph formatting. Okay, so let's start. Chapter 4, Features in Microsoft Word 2013, Session 1. Paragraph formatting. In Word, a new paragraph begins when we press the Enter key. We can format a paragraph by changing its alignment, indentation, line spacing and paragraph spacing. Let's discuss about these options in detail. Alignment. Alignment refers to the placement of text with respect to left and right margins. It means, in simple words, alignment in MS Word is the fact that you get the text positioned as you want. We can change the alignment of text by making use of the alignment buttons in the paragraph group under the Home tab. There are 4 alignment options which are align left, center, align right and justify. So let's discuss in detail. So first is align left. This option places the text towards the left margin, leaving an uneven right edge. It means a paragraph's text is left aligned when it is aligned evenly along the left margin. Let's say practically. I am selecting here this paragraph and now click on Home menu. Now move the cursor on paragraph group and select left align option. So here you can see the text is placed to the left side. Now second is center. This option places the text in the center of the left and right margins. It means a paragraph's text will be placed to center aligned if it is in the center of the left and right margins. Now again I am selecting this paragraph and click on Home menu. Now move the cursor to paragraph group and select Align center. So paragraph leaves the margins both sides. So here you can see the paragraph is in center. Now third is align right. This option places the text towards the right margin, leaving an uneven left edge. It means a paragraph's text is right aligned when it is aligned evenly along the right margin. Let's see practically. So first of all select this paragraph. Now click on Home menu. Now move the cursor to the paragraph group and click on Align Right. So here you can see the paragraph is placed to the right side. Now fourth is Justify. This option places the text in a way that the text is equally distributed between both the margins and none of the edges of the text appear uneven. It means paragraph's text is justified when it is aligned evenly along both the left and the right margins. Again I am selecting this paragraph and click on Home menu. Now move the cursor to the paragraph group and select Align Justify option. So you can see this paragraph placed to the Justify. Now next is indentation. Indentation is the distance of the paragraph from either the left or the right margin. It means in Word, indentation is used to describe the distance or number of blank spaces used to separate a paragraph from the left or right margins. The various types of indentations are left indentation, right indentation and special indentation. So let's discuss about these types of indentation in detail. So first is left indentation. It is the distance of the paragraph from the left margin. It means it will adjust from left side margin. Second is right indentation. It is the distance of the paragraph from the right margin. It means it will adjust from right side margin. Third is spatial indents. There are two spatial indents. First is first line. It makes the first line of the paragraph indented more towards the right compared to the subsequent lines. It means you may want to indent only the first line of each paragraph. This helps to visually separate paragraphs from one another. Now second is hanging. It makes the first line of the paragraph indented more towards the left compared to the subsequent lines. It means it's also possible to indent every line except for the first line, which is known as a hanging indent. Now we will perform steps for settings indentation. So first of all, I am selecting here this paragraph. Now click on page layout menu and select paragraph group. Now specify the values for left and right indent. Suppose I am giving here 0.5 in left side and 0.9 in right. So paragraphs format is like this way. You can also select value from the drop down list of left and right indent. There is also available more indentation options, for example, to set the first line indentation and hanging indentation. For this, we need to open the paragraph dialog box. First of all, put cursor on starting of first line. Now click on the page layout menu. Now click on paragraph group. Here you can see dialog box launcher button at the bottom right corner. Now specify the value for left and right indents. Suppose I am giving here one value in left and one value in right, and select first line option from the spatial drop down list and give OK. Then you can see this paragraph visually separate from another. Now suppose I am selecting here hanging option from spatial drop down list, then it will take space from second line. Now next is line spacing. Line spacing is the amount of space between the lines of text in a paragraph of a Word document. We can increase or decrease the space between two lines. It means it will keep distance between two lines. Let's see this practically. First of all, place the cursor anywhere in the paragraph. Suppose I am placed the cursor on starting of second line. Now select Home tab and move the cursor on paragraph group. Now select line and paragraph spacing option next to the alignments options. Now click on drop down list. Here you can see size list. Now select desired size. Suppose I am selecting here 2.0, then it will keep 2.0 distance between two lines. Now next is paragraph spacing. Paragraph spacing is the amount of space above or below a paragraph. It means it will keep distance between two paragraphs. Let's perform steps for this. Select any paragraph. Suppose I am selecting here second paragraph. Now click on page layout menu and move the cursor to the paragraph group. Now give the value in before or select the value from drop down list. I am giving here 30, then it will keep 30 distance between two paragraphs. You can also give value in after, so it will keep distance after the paragraph. More line and paragraph spacing options. We can also give values and do advanced settings for line and paragraph. Let's perform steps for that. Select the paragraph or line. Now click on Home menu. Now move the cursor on paragraph group. Now select Paragraph dialog box button at the bottom right corner. Now click on Line Spacing drop down list. Here you can see list of values. You can select any value. Suppose I am selecting here 1.5 lines and give OK. So here you can see 1.5 distance between two lines. Now coming to end of the session, you have to write an essay for Diwali celebration and perform following tasks. Change the alignment of the title to center and keep 1.5 distance between two lines. So children, I hope you understood this session. In this session, we have discussed about paragraph formatting. Now in next session, we will discuss about column formatting and find features. Okay, bye and take care.